So hello everyone. Today we will learn the what is the variable in a Python. So in a different way, like every language is having the variables. In a Python also having the similar ways. Like we can mention the variables against of the values. That's why. So in that case, we can check the some kind of rules to how to write the variables in a Python. There are also multiple types of rules. Every language is having the similar ways. They having the own types of rules in writing the variables. So let's see. A variable name must start with the letters or the underscore characters. It means we don't want to start the that variables as a number or as a special characters. And second one is a variable name cannot start with a number. Yeah, similar that way. We cannot start with the number. A variable name can only contains alphanumeric characters and underscores. It means they wants only alphanumeric characters and underscores. So next, variable name are case sensitive. Yeah, every languages are case sensitive. Like age is a different variable, capital H is a different variable, and AGE in a capital, this is also different variable. It means are three different variables, right? It not be same because spelling is different like capital and small, that's why. So a variable name cannot be any of the Python keyword. This is cannot be any of the Python keyword. It is a own variable, not a Python keyword, right? Yeah. So we add a multiple values on multiple variables. We can look this while typing the code, like multiple values added the multiple variables. It means what? So we can use for the showing results using the print function. Yeah, in this case, in a PHP we can give the echo, in Java print, JavaScript is different. Like that way we can use in a Python to display some kind of variable values using the print function. So in the next, let's start coding. Yeah, we can start the coding now. So let's start with the coding. Okay, we will take here name is equals to Ram. So, and we can take here like first of all name we are taking, and we can use the print function, okay, to print or display the variable uh, values using the print. So I will take this one, and we can type here Python main.py and print Ram. Yeah, it's showing results. So in the next we can type here like number, and we can take here 2, and we can print again print name, oh sorry, number. And let's see, we can type here Python main.this. Yeah, it's showing us good result. Okay, so what is the case sensitive? We can check. Suppose we are having the like this, name is equals to Om. Okay, this is the both are different, but it's looking similar, but that one is capital and one is small letter at the starting. So I will take here name also in a capital way, and we can check in a Python and type the main.py and check. Yeah, it's showing us different results, like small name is showing the Ram and capital name showing the Om. It means it is the case sensitive. It is not a not a case sensitive. That's why it's showing us good result. Okay, then next is we can check the multiple values insert in multiple variables. How to write that one? We can look in that. So I will rough this one and check like name number is equals to, so we can type here name is again Ram and we can give the comma and 5. Okay, so it is the way to write down the multiple values in a multiple variables. So I will print here, print. First we can take name, second we can take number, and we can print again python main.py. Yep, it's showing us good results like name is equal to Nam and 5. So this is way to write down the multiple values in a multiple variables. And one more thing, like I will rub this one and suppose I will type like to name and hello, so it is not possible. Okay, it is not possible because we can't, Python we can't understand the two numbers in a starting of the variable. Either we can type this 2 in and then it's fine, it's totally fine, but before starting, while starting the variable it can't. You can start with the underscore, it's fine, it's also fine, not an issue. You can try here like print underscore name and look here, yeah, it's showing us good result like hello. It's totally fine, this is the rule of the Python they are executing. So, and we can check similar way in our terminal. So we will try here Python and yeah, it's open. So I will type here like one variable name is equals to Ram, and after this also we can use print function and we can type here name. Yeah, it's showing us similar way to good result name. We can type here number also, number is equals to 5 and print number, it's showing us number. Again we can type here like multiple values and multiple variables like this way, number comma name is equals to number is 2 and name is equal to Om. Okay, so we can print these two things like number and name like this. So it's showing us both of good results 2 and Om. Here also we can type with the only start with the underscore or alphabetical num like this way. We can type here name is equals to Om, then print we can type like underscore name and enter. Yeah, it's showing us results, but we can type here, we can't like start with the number and name, we can't, they are throwing us the error because of the rule of the Python, that's why. So I think so you are understood whatever we learn in Python like variables, how to define, how to print and what to do with the Python or what to do with the variables. In the next videos we can learn the more things like data types, for loop, while loop. So keep enjoying, do fun with the Python and celebrate. Thank you so much for watching.